Hi, today we're in Anza-Borrego Desert State Park on Elephant Tree Trail by Fish Creek. And this guy here is our elephant tree, Bursera microphylla. In Spanish we call him a torote. He's a member of the torchwood family, described as a thick, sculpted, drought-tolerant, evergreen small tree with a huge water-storing trunk. Just look at this trunk here. Just amazing. Look at that. That's why we call him an elephant tree. He's super adapted to these desert conditions. Extreme heat, these desert hills and mountains of Sonoran Desert. He's a semi-succulent. He stores water, the tissues of his trunk, and his limbs and his upper stems, like a giant semi-succulent tree here. It's a slow grower. Usually gets about 13 feet tall and 10 feet wide. Sometimes these guys get up to 30 feet high. And they got this big shrubby look here. He sprawls out just so wide. Beautiful. Wow. So his trunk and his stems, right, they're thick and they store a lot of water. But overall, he's got relatively short branches here coming out. Right up here makes him look real stubby. He's called sarcocaulescent, which means fleshy stems. Refers to our woody perennials with this fleshy, exfoliating bark. Wow. And their little swollen appearance here. His bark, well, it's light gray, a little papery, peels away real easily, and it's paired with little leaflets here coming out. See, you got little pairs of leaflets on these leaves. That's why he's called a microphylla. See how tiny these leaves are? Look at that. They're so green and lush. These little new growth is all purplish like this. Very woody. Comes to the tip here. Look at that. Little leaves with tiny little microphylla leaflets. And he'll flower from June to July. He's got rounded yellow buds that open to small star-shaped white creamy flowers. But this guy, unfortunately, this is April, so he doesn't have any flowers on him yet. He'll have a little fruit called a drupe. Contains a little yellow stone or a seed, and that develops rapidly and it ripens to red or a little purplish, and he's edible. So little birds, they like to eat the seeds, and it's a primary means to disperse this plant around, but you don't find them because they're so rare. There's a bunch over at Bow Willow Campground at the Torote Bowl. You got to hike to. But they're not as big and lush as this guy here. And the Native Americans, well, they used the red sap from the limbs to treat skin disorders. And it's the overall panacea, our medicine cabinet for skin, respiratory, circulatory, and immune system diseases. And the wood, super hardy. You can make boxes out of the wood. Native Americans did. Just gorgeous. Let's take a bigger look here at our beautiful elephant tree here on Elephant Tree Trail over by Fish Creek. Look at that. This is our Torote Bursera microphylla out here in Anza-Borrego Desert State Park. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please click like, subscribe, share. All the rest. I appreciate your viewership. It means a lot to me. Wow, one last look here. Just gorgeous. All right. Thanks for watching.